Hi everyone, welcome to Wagwan Tours. We are in Benidorm. Let's see Wagwan, you know the vibe.
First day out together. We're taking a
Finally
little walk.
made it.
Yeah, she finally got here. Finally got here. She's really busy today.
Really busy, yeah.
So our hotel is just up that road up there, if you can see. Just up there. Everyone's checking the old memorial. I don't know what it is. But yeah, nice day today for the beach. Absolutely lovely. So we're going to take a walk over to, let's quickly zoom you in so you can see that. We're going over to, there's a balcony of Europe. We're going to take a walk there.
Yeah, so I came yesterday, got here sort of lunchtime, didn't I?
Yeah, how was the security for you at the airport?
So, checking in, I had to register, so I had to put my details in, which was literally your passport, and then they do your fingers, and you have to do all your fingers minus your thumb, which I thought was a bit odd, so I thought it would be your thumb, and then look at the cameras, and then it's done. So that whole process was about 30 seconds. And then after that, you go to the normal passport area where you obviously scan your passport, go through the gate, and then get your passport stamped. The whole thing from start to finish, I would say, was about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Mine was 5 minutes. I literally just came through. I went to the fingerprint machine and I just didn't hold down my passport. So that was like not down properly. So it rejected my passport and told me to go see the man at the desk. Straight over to him. There was no queues. Straight to him, stamped my passport, and off I went. Very quick and easy. About 5 minutes, I think, for me.
There was 2 lines for my one as well, so they took people that had already been registered. So they asked, have you been registered already? So the people who had been registered just went straight through to the bit that you obviously put your passport and get your passport stamped. If you hadn't, you had to do the process that I did. But again, there wasn't really much in it. It was very quick. I was on one of the early flights though, so obviously dependent on your flight time and how busy the airport is, it might vary. The longest part of my trip actually is when we got here. I decided to get the bus from Alicante to Benidorm, and annoyingly I just missed the 11 o'clock because it was too overbooked, so I had to wait until the 12 o'clock one, so I had like another hour and a half sitting at the airport.
So yeah, she didn't reach me till about 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's 45 minutes if anyone's wondering. So from Alicante you can either obviously do private transfer, taxi. There is a bus that seems to run on the hour. That might go increase during peak time. Comment below if you know that. But you can check and book your ticket online, or when you actually get to the airport and you exit, it was on level 2 for all the buses. So yeah, when you buy your ticket, you can buy it there or you can pay on the actual bus. So plenty of different ways to get it.
Excuse my French there. Guy was just thought he could just drive his mobility scooter straight into you. So
Welcome to
rude.
Benidorm.
Bit of a, I said in another video, a bit of a problem here with old people thinking
And
they can just do what they want.
Ramo along here, as you can see.
Yeah. God's waiting room.
Got some little kiosks here. And when the sun is on you, it's really nice, but it's still, I'd say, jacket weather when that breeze or when you're sort of later on in the evening. But we are sort of end of March now.
Yeah. So it should be warming up into April, May.
Yeah.
Should be really nice.
But then obviously that's going to be busier time, so again, just be warned that it might be a little bit longer at the airport.
Here's the old pigeon area. We're going to take a walk in.
Oh, a little choir there. What's going on?
Let's keep going.
Yeah, that was really, really busy along that promenade. Absolutely rammed.
Every day it's been like that. Every day I've been here. When I got here, the first day it was in the afternoon and it was really, really busy. Oh, puppy wants to go down. Right, we go up the next one, I think. So it says 22 degrees. 22, that's in the shade. It doesn't really feel like 22 there, but it's got a fresh crisp to the air. Nice and fresh. Let's go up this one. So yeah guys, if you can like, comment, share this video to anyone that would love to come to Benidorm. And yeah, there's a hype button as well, so if you can press the hype button, it'd be really good.
Really appreciate it. So yeah, so overall the flight, the plane was quite full as well. But again, I feel like the early flights are always busy because people just want to get here. Was your flight busy?
My flight, I came from, I went to Malaga, from Malaga to Valencia, so it was a little bit of a smaller plane. When I say smaller, skinnier, and quite busy, but at the locals. I think there's only me, 2-3 other people who were English.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Well, in my area anyway, in my area. It took 35 minutes, 40 minutes.
Really quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice and quick flight for me.
Yeah, I was fast asleep for more than my flight. Streets, but then obviously you have got the main part, which is all like the high rises and stuff. So Benidorm is a
city.
Yeah, it's a little bit different to other little parts of where you went, Marbella, Figueroa. Well, Figueroa is sort of like a
Costa del Sol is, it's not, Costa del Sol's like what, 7 places, all wrapped into one area, and this is just one area. So this is a good little restaurant now. Yeah. Whew. It's a good little brisk walk up there. Let's go this way. I'll show you the fountain or whatever it is. Then check out the view. Yeah, I've been blocked on this one.
Yeah. For that water though.
Crystal clear waters.
Some people are braving the water.
Why not? Some people only get to have one holiday per year. Some people are lucky like us and we make it our jobs. So it's not really holiday, but you will understand. Right, let's get up here.
So this is a very famous viewing point. If you've ever been to Benidorm, this is a nice little area to come and see the whole of whatever it is.
What, the Mediterranean? So yeah, check everyone out in the old restaurant here. Lovely little place to come sit, have some food. Normally Sabrina can wander off because she's not normally got a mic on, but she's got to stay next to me. She's got the mic on. Let's have a quick look over this side. Let's give you a quick zoom into it, why not? I won't go downstairs because it's going to be too busy down there, and better view from up here. But yeah, there you go. Alright, well, guys, thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out all of our other videos. And if you do want to ask us